In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 5, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, just open the messages, then click on Start Chat, pick any contact that you have around just to see the keyboard language. So as you can see, currently I am set up with English. If you want to change it, just click on Settings icon, then go to Languages, and let me remove those, and now click on Add Keyboard. And here you can smoothly find the language that you would like to apply, that you would like to have your keyboard in. And let me pick, for example, Hebrew, tap on Done, and now I will remove English as well. So let's go back, and as you can see, keyboard dictionary has been changed. Keyboard languages is in Hebrew now. Obviously it will be in language that you will pick, and this is how you can customize keyboard language in your ASUS. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.